My name is Jane Lynch, and I'm here to talk with you. Hi, my name is Jane Lynch, and I'm here to talk with you about math in kindergarten. In kindergarten and math, we use the Bridges program, and the Bridges program is divided into two parts. One part is Number Corner, which you can see a lot of that behind me. And Number Corner is the daily intentional calendar time where we're working on different concepts in math using our calendar activities. In Number Corner, we'll be working on the calendar, the months of the year, counting the days, as well as creating a pattern every month and see if we can figure out the pattern. We'll be working on things like shapes and making collections and adding the collections together and then comparing the different kinds of collections. We'll be working on counting one to one using a number line, changing our number line where we're not always starting at 0, changing where we count from, counting on from 1 and counting on from other numbers. We'll be working with tens frames as well as creating links as we count the days of school, and we'll be working together to create our own number line. So Number Corner uses the traditional calendar and has some super intentional lessons and activities to go with it. In Bridges, which is a different time of the day, we'll do a whole group lesson where there will be lots of hands-on experiences and lots of in-depth conversations using key questions to help to get the children to be thinking mathematically. And then it'll be followed up with practice via hands-on, as well as games and partner work. Finally, following up with workstations where children get a chance to practice the different activities, the hands-on manipulatives, as well as the games to further develop their math skills. In kindergarten, we have lots of standards that we're working on. And one thing we work a lot on is developing a mathematical vocabulary. We work on cardinality, where we're counting from 1 to 100. We're counting using 1-to-1 correspondence. We're counting by tens. We're counting on from starting at 1, but we're also counting on starting from other numbers. We're reading and writing numbers and recognizing numbers. We're taking a look at the numbers and comparing their values using words like more and less, greater than, less than. We're talking about place value, where we have 10 plus more makes a teen number. We go into some geometry where we do 2D shapes and 3D shapes, and then creating new shapes by putting shapes together, talking about the attributes of the shapes, how many vertices there are, how many sides, those kinds of things. And we also will do operations using addition and subtraction in kindergarten. We add within 10, and we work on and subtract within 10, and we work on adding and subtracting within 5 fluently. And of course, we'll be working on measurement, comparing length, comparing weight, and doing different kind of measurement activities. Every month, we'll have a different unit, and following the unit, you'll be getting a packet with your child, a letter to tell you kind of some of the things we've been working on in that unit, and then some practice for you to work on with your child at home so they can practice the skills we've been working on in kindergarten. We're looking forward to a great year, and we're going to have a great time learning math in kindergarten.